if it's impermissible to say to a non-Muslim, my brother or my sister, is it permissible to simply say bro or sis?
No problem to say bro or sis to a brother or sister. A sister as in blood sister, yeah?
A non-Muslim.
Yeah, but you're not going to chat her, is it? The chatting is different. To call her, no problem. Sis, bros, yeah, no problem. Because the Prophet ﷺ, he had been taken with a Aish, half of Aisha. So Aish, no problem. Pro, sis, as long as there's no insultation into it. Naam. But no, not for chit-chatting for the sister, which is not mahram to you, to
No.
talk to her. Naam.
So if you have a colleague at work who's non-Muslim, but you call him bro, impermissible?
Oh, so non-Muslim, you call him bro, yeah. Yeah, well, the brotherhood here is in humanity. As Allah Azza wa Jal, He talked about Hud. He has been, وَلَقَدْ أَرْسَلْنَا إِلَى ثَمُودَ أَخَاهُمْ صَالِحًا. We have sent to the people of Thamud their brother Salih. Salih is a Muslim and they are what? Kuffar. But Allah called him what? A brother. A brother in what? He's from the same tribe, from the same place, from the same أخاهم. وإلى مدين أخاهم شعيب. To the people of Madian, call them kuffar. They were bad kuffar, they were not just normal kuffar. Their brother Shu'aib, that means from them. So, but if this word bro is being taken as bro, as in an Islamic terminology, then you should not be calling him a bro. The companions, when they say, for example, to a person, the son, who is the father of his is a Muslim, they would say to him, Yabna Akhi, oh my nephew, because he's the son of his brother, as in Islam. Yabna Akhi. Okay. So if the bro is a terminology, because I know that I've seen the blacks, when they talk to the blacks, they say bro, isn't it? Yeah? The blacks, the bro. No, non-Muslim talking about bro. Yeah, bro, hey bro. Even a non-Muslim saying, oh yeah, bro, and he's a non-Muslim. He tells me to bro. I haven't seen that into the white community. It's different. Maybe it's to do with that they've been segregated, or it could be racism, okay, to do with the issue. But I have seen those black people, when they talk to me, they say to me, bro, and they are non-Muslims. Hey, bro, okay. As in bro and what? I don't know. We're together against the whites, for example. I don't know. It's just a color we have the same. It could be, you see what I mean? Hey, bro. Now, if it's a way of entering his heart, no problem, ya Abu Isa.